Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, King Lion. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members that I like to refer to as paintings for Patreons. So you guys get to watch the fast sped up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full length of this or many other exclusive videos that I have for the Patreons, and or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of cool painting benefits that will enhance your skill set along your artistic journey, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a beautiful, proud beast. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.